I know how to protest against anti-Indians. Sham goes for a walk. I read. Dev eats rice and dal before going to school. Saurabh watches APJ Abdul Kalam speeches every day. We play. He goes to the gym daily. Maddie lives with me in Bangalore. They laugh at her. Gulshan gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning. They don't like me. I go to market with my mother. He knows how to read the books. They don't call me. He reads newspaper daily. Prince plays cricket every day. I don't like to do friendship those boys who quarrels each other. She prefers milk to mango juice. You always buy everything from that shopkeeper only. She does not take bath every day. I don't play cricket. He doesn't live with me. He doesn't speak French and Hindi. He writes romantic letters. Do you love to listen to Hollywood songs? He goes to the office every day. Do you like to watch football? He works in an organization. Where do you live? Does she go market every day? When do you go to school daily?
The sun rises in the east. She earns a lot of money in her company. He always helps needy people. He writes a letter. He knows you very well. I don't write a book. She doesn't eat pizza. He loves to talk with you. They don't need your help. Does he live in Bangalore? Does she eat mango? Does he spend a lot of money? Do you wash his clothes? Do you clean your garden every day? Do I tell a lie? Do you need any help? Does he sing a song? Do you like me? I like you. I don't like him. Do you read? Do they play? They drive to Goa every year. It rains every morning in Bangalore. His grandfather reads the newspaper daily in the morning. That man watches television regularly. I drink milk. I swim every day. I take coffee daily. He comes here daily. Gautam runs in the field every morning. He always tell a lie. They works. He teaches you. We go to school daily. He beats her. Those children go to school. Teachers teach us. Ram goes to school. They wait for me.
He tells a story. He knows how to swim. The birds fly. The dog barks at night. They only eat fruits. Our school opens at 9 a.m. Man is mortal. The movie starts at 7 o'clock. When does the college reopen? When does it arrive? His family trusts you more than him. Do you like to smoke? She doesn't eat meat. What does he do? The train leaves at 7 a.m. My teacher insults me in my school. Do you love to play cricket? I love to play cricket. They never go to school. He doesn't go to school by bus. Dogs don't usually attack children. He does his homework at school. My parents have a big car. My brother buys a new home for us. I like to drink black coffee every morning. Does your father get up early? How often do you wash your face? You wash your face 4 times a day. Does he live in Bihar? Do you know each other? Do you like toffee? The children are in the park. He works in a reputed hospital. I really like the food here. He thinks he is very handsome. I run faster than you. Bihar is in India. My brother's birthday comes in September. He knows how to impress a girl. I know how to solve this puzzle. Where do you work? Do you work in India? He goes to gym classes every evening. He participates in each school gathering. We usually sleep late at night. He scores good marks in maths. Does he read the newspaper daily? We brush our teeth every morning. He doesn't want to be with you. He seems happier today. Why don't you brush your teeth daily? My father teaches in a college. We play chess every Sunday. Do you like her? He hates dishonest men. I know about him. He brushes his teeth 2 times a day. I complete my homework daily. Where does he go at every night? I go to school only 5 days a week. We produce web applications for our clients. Parrots love to eat chilies. Mr. Ben mostly wears a white t-shirt. Birds don't fly at night. My brother studies in the 12th grade. Where do you live? Where do your parents live? Does she speak Hindi?